cameras, and I wanted to do a little bit of a different test here, and that's just to see what the quality is like when using them as a dash cam. I mean, we all know that the video quality on the 8 is going to be better than the 4 due to it having a better sensor. The Fusion is actually pretty similar to the actual 6, 7 and 8s, but it's all about the audio in this case. And it's not just recording a person speaking, it's microphones, but it's also a case of there's certain noise reduction algorithms that have been introduced, even wind reduction, and it's just to see what the clarity is like. So basically this is just a little test to see what the audio is like when using these cameras as your dash cam. Although in this case they are actually pointing towards me because I wanted the microphones kind of oriented in my direction to be able to pick up all this audio. So without further ado, this is your audio test, and I hope that it proved useful. If you like what you hear in this case, rather than see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button